Moving on to the third question, it is about triangle proportionality. We have to find the relationship of triangles when there are medians, bisectors, and other parts of triangle. Here, the starting ones are very easy ones. We need to find the value of the variable, the unknown value, x and m over here. Now you can see this angle and this angle is same. So this is angle bisector. That means these both angles are equal, and we have a formula. If I write this as A, B, C, and D, we can consider AB divided by BC, that is equal to AD divided by CD. Now, you can write it in different ways. This is a correct formula. Also, you might have seen it written as AB by AD equals to BC by CD. I prefer this method because it's easier, and I will tell you both the methods now. When you see that there's an angle bisector, the angles are equal, these two triangles are proportional to each other. You can write this side, can you see this AB, divided by the other side, AD, that will be equal to this and this, or this, but that's the same thing, so we use the other side. So this is important. Now, what did I write over here? It's just that if you interchange this, it'll be BC and AD over here. That's also absolutely fine. This is a easier way to understand. This I write it for triangle 1. That's here, and the triangle 2 is over here. Now let me show you. AB, can you see this AB? Divided by other side of the same triangle BC will be equal to, which did I choose first? AB. So which is the opposite to it? AD. This is like the proportional to it, right? AD divided by the other side, the base, CD. Any one, whichever you find easy, follow that method. Now I'll substitute. That'll be m divided by 8. That will be equal to 26 by 12. Here you just solve it. Take this 8 to the other side. M equals 26 divided by 12 into 8. You can directly put that in the calculator, but I'm just doing the steps. M will be, put this in the calculator, you'll get the answer. It is 1 time. Over here you'll get 3 times. And sorry, it's 2 times. 4 2 times 8. It'll be 2 times 52 divided by 3. And look over here, it's nearest tenth. That means we have to do it in calculator here. So 52 divided by 3 would be 17.33, but nearest tenth means only one digit after the decimal. 10 is having 1 0, isn't it? So one digit after the decimal point. The answer will be over here, 17.3. That is the m value. Now for the next one, you can use the same formula. I'll directly write the answer here. It'll be 20 divided by 7. That is equal to, you can write it as A, B, C, and D. And then that will be equal to 24 by x. Now x to the other side, that will be equal to, now it's cross multiplying, okay? X moves instead of 20, and 20 takes the place of x. So it'll be 24 by 20, and this 7 to the other side multiplies. It is 5 times 6 times 6 times 7 5 are 42 divided by 5 would be the answer. Here it's the nearest tenth again, so all you need to do is change this. It's divided by 5, and over here it's 42. So the answer is 8.4, exactly 8.4. You can see that x is 8.4 and 17.3. Now similar type, now they have told these both triangles are similar. ABC is similar to DEF. Now we need to find the length of XC. Which is XC? This is it. So how can we solve it? First of all, we know the total length AC as 14. So if we just find the remaining side, we can easily find one of the side. And over here they have told this is 8, this is 12, right? So what we can do is we can use Pythagoras theorem. We have used this before. Pythagoras theorem, 90-degree opposite is hypotenuse. So the square of AB, that is hypotenuse squared, would be the sum of squares of the other two sides, bx squared plus ax squared. Now it's 12 squared is equal to 8 squared plus ax squared. This is unknown. Now we will solve it up. You can just put in the calculator as well. And this is 144 minus 8 squared is 64. That is equal to ax squared. Take the square root of this and you will get the answer. It'll be 20. It'll be square root of 80, I believe. That is AC. So let's use the calculator. Why? Because it's nearest tenth. Here we will just type in square root of 144 minus 64, and the answer would be 4 root 5. Or it is 8.94, so it's just 8.9. So that is the answer, 8.9. Okay, now it's not over. That is true, AX is 8.9. But what do we need to solve for? We don't want, this is AX, right? AX, it's not AC, it's AX. What we need is CX or XC, this length. We know this is 8.9. What is the remaining length? 14. I'll write it in terms of alphabets first. AC will be equal to XC plus XA. Now we know AC is 14, that is equal to, what is XC? That is what we are solving for, plus 8.9. This goes to the other side, 14 minus 8.9 is equal to XC. That will be 5.1. 5.1 will be the answer. 5.1 centimeters, because it's in centimeters here. Another very easy problem. And now we need to find EY here. This is the EY. Now, since they have told these both triangles are similar, that means the altitudes are also similar. We can just use the triangle proportionality over here and solve it up. Now, if I choose this side first, let me choose AB divided by the other side, BX. That will be equal to, now which is the, see here, this is the shorter side, shorter triangle. This is the shorter one. This is the longer. So I have to choose the longer one. That is DE divided by EY. Now let me substitute all the values which I know. 12 by 8 will be equal to 8 by EY. That is what we need to solve. So let's take EY instead of 12 and change their places. And this over here. So EY will be equal to 8 times 8 by 12. So it's 3 times over here and 2 times. It's 16 by 3. Now use your calculators and get the answer. Just to show you over here, this directly can be substituted. 12 divided by 8 is equal to 8 divided by alpha x. That is the unknown value. Shift and solve and then press equal to. The answer is 5.33. 3 times 5 is 15, and your 1/3 will remain. So it's 5.33, but nearest tenth would be 5.3. That's the answer. So here we go. And now we are into the proving problems. These are very important ones. Now they have told write paragraph proof, but I would suggest you to go ahead with the statement and reasoning proof itself, which you have done before in the last problem. So please make sure you have understood the previous video thoroughly, because the same thing will be done over here. Statement and reason, this is very important. And then the first statement, no matter what will be given. So here we have to write it as it is. Triangle RTS is congruent, is similar to triangle EGF, and they've also told TA, line TA, and GB, line GB are angle bisectors. Angle bisectors. Sectors. Okay. Now, what? Let us first analyze what this is. RTS, this outside triangle, the whole triangle is similar to EGF. Okay, they both are similar. TA and GB are angle bisectors, so this angle is equal to this. So that has been given. So what do we have to find now? TA, where is TA? This angle bisector line divided by GB is equal to RT, one of the sides, and EG. So we are mainly dealing with this, this, and this. Over here also, the left side, okay? Left triangle. I hope that's clear. So we have to focus on this part. Now, how can we prove they are similar? Like, how can we get this proportionality? If at all we knew this is similar to this, if these both triangles are similar, then obviously we can write this similarity statement. But we know the whole triangles are similar. Are they similar? The angles are same. Already they have told this angle is equal to this angle. So we can easily prove this by angle-angle similarity. I'll show you how. Angle T is equal or congruent to angle G. Okay, that's the first thing. Okay, but now the thing is, it's not angle G we are talking about. We have to talk about half of. Okay, let me just write this anyways, because this is why Uh, Sorry guys, I just missed it over here. It is not angle T. We have to talk about which angle? RTA. Why? Because we need half of it, right? Because this is the angle bisector. Let me write it over here. Angle RTA is similar to angle EGB. I hope this is clear. RTA and EGB they have given. Why? Because this is from the TA and GB are angle bisectors. The reason can be written as the line segment TA and GB are angle bisectors. Angle bisectors. Now then, that is done. Now, is this angle equal to this? Yes, absolutely. Angle R is congruent to angle E. Why? Because we know that RTS triangle is congruent, is similar to EGF triangle. If the triangle is similar, then obviously all the angles are equal, isn't it? So we got two angles over here. Now I can directly tell triangle TRA is similar, this is similar to triangle. So I've used TRA, that means I've used GEB. Okay, it'll be GEB. Why? From AA similarity, angle similarity. So that is done. Now if these two triangles are similar, I can write this proportionality, isn't it? TA divided by GB, this the other side of the triangle, will be equal to this proportionality will hold good, RT divided by EG, because triangle RTS is similar to triangle EGF. So therefore we have proved it. You have to write the given. This is reason is given. The first one I've written the given, but I've not written the reason. Next one, because they're angle bisectors, and over here because these two triangles are similar. And then from AA similarity we have proved this one first is similar to the second triangle, and then we can write triangle proportionality. So this is the answer. Now over here they have written differently, but that's whatever I've written is the exact same correct answer as long as you're proved. You can prove in different ways. I've used one of the method. Now you can see here they have used half. This is basically what you know, because it's an angle bisector. That's why they've used half. It's up to you. I've just written directly, RTA, because it's understood. They've clearly given it in the given. It's given in the question itself. So that's the reason. Now then, moving to the next problem. What do we have to prove here? ABC, this one, is similar to, that's given, sorry, RST. Okay, that's fine. AD is median. Median means these both are equal to each other, okay? And then what else? RU, okay, is the median. Over here they have told us the same thing. And the whole triangles are similar to each other. Then what do we have to prove is AD, this median line, divided by RU will be equal to AB. Okay, we are dealing with this side triangle. See the right one now. Last problem we were the left. We were dealing with the left. Now here with the right. So now looking at this, I know I need to prove this triangle is similar to this triangle. But I know the whole triangles are similar, but that doesn't help us. Now how can we prove that? You already learned that before in the classes and example problems. Yes, they both are similar, but now we are proving it with proof, with reasoning. So here, I know this is similar, equal. So that is good. And what else? This is equal to this. Why? Because, I mean, not equal, they are similar. I can write the similarity statement. AB by CD, but then I know these both are equal, so I can get that done. Oh, and this angle is also equal. Oh, very good. We can easily do this as well. Now I will tell you one by one what is the reason and the statement. So this is the statement and this is the reason. First one, you have to write this entire thing. Please don't forget that. You have to write this, the first thing that will be the given reason. After that, now I'll directly write the statement we need. We know the two triangles are similar, right? So I'll write a statement that AB divided by CB is equal to RS divided by TS. Why? because triangle ABC is similar to triangle RST. So all the sides are proportional to each other. Now here we are focusing on CB, that is this, and TS, this one. And we need to change that and get over here rearranged, okay? So now one thing guys over here, since it's where is this, what do we need, AB and RS. So what I'll do is I'll not write AB by CB instead of AB and CB. I can write AB and RS. Why? Because it will be equal over here, right? It's the same thing. I'm just changing this RS from here to here. That's absolutely fine because all the sides are proportional. I will write AB by RS. This is done. Left side is already there. Only right side we have to rearrange. This is CB by TS. Now what can I do? I know CB will be equal to CD plus DB and TS will be equal to TU plus US. Why is this? This is line segment, line addition, line segment addition, line addition of line segments, line segment addition, right? And then over here, I know CD is equal to DB. Why is that? Because they clearly told this AD is a median. Median means it cuts this side into equal parts. And what else? TU is equal to US. So that means Y, AD, and RU are median. So medians will make it into congruent definition of medians basically. So this is a midpoint and it will break into equal parts. And now since CD and DB are equal, now we are focused on DB. Ignore the CD. Over here, I can substitute over here. See this. Where is that? CB is equal to, instead of CD, I'll put DB. So CB will be DB plus DB, isn't it? It will be 2 times DB, okay? And what about TS? TS will be equal to, what do I need over here? US. So I'll put 2 times US. We know this total length will be equal to 2 times this line segment because they both are equal. And now this is just substitution, okay? And now these both, I will just substitute back in the given, the first statement which we had taken. See, AB by RS is already there. This is there. We have to just do the right side. Now here, CB and TS, right? So, oh, sorry, we don't need to prove the right side. We're not proving the right side. We are just proving these two sides are similar. We need to just get these both, okay? So over here you have, instead of 2 dB divided by 2 US. And this cancels, 2 and 2 cancels. So you're remaining with AB by RS and DB by US. Again, this is substitution. And then now I can tell B angle and S angle is what? Same. Angle B is equal to angle S. Why is this? Because triangle ABC is similar to triangle RST. It's given, right? When they are similar, all the angles are equal over here. This is angle and this one will be equal to this. Now then, can you see triangle AB and D, ABD is similar to triangle RSU. RSU. Why is this? Because I got the two sides proportional. See, AB and DB are proportional, right? S and the included angle, the middle angle, SAS postulate or theorem postulate. So from this, I can tell this particular right side triangle, this one is similar to 2, this right side. And now if they are similar, I can write this statement. Why? Because they are telling me about this line AD divided by RU is equal to AB. AB is the right side, AB over here divided by RS. Absolutely. Why? Because I have to write this one over here. The reason is triangle ABD is similar to triangle. Now I've taken ABD, RSU. This is it. It's RSU. So this is the reason. Write 1, 2, 3, 4, like few of them. This is the last one. Okay, I didn't have space over here. You have to write it up over here. So continuously, first is given. Then what we told is we know if the, from how did we get this, is AB divided by, okay, this is from the two outer triangles. We are just writing the similarity statement. And from this we need AB and RS is fine. But CB, we want to write it in terms of DB. And we wrote from CB over here CB and TS in terms of DB and US. And then we can easily prove side and side are proportional and this angle is equal to this angle. So SAS postulate, we can tell these both triangles are similar to each other, and then we can definitely write this similarity statement. This is the reason. Okay, over here they have done it very shortly. No, they have not completed it. Okay. Oh, this is plenty big. So I think so it's better to follow my method, which I did. As long as you understood what we are finding out, it'll be the same thing. They have also done the same thing, I believe. Yeah, this is the same thing. And they got this. So the last problem, last proving problem, it is another very interesting problem. They have given the figure here and they have told CD is bisecting. See, this is very important. Bisects what? Angle ACB, this is equal to this. 1 and 2 are equal. By constructing AE, this is AE, which is parallel to CD. This is parallel to this line. Okay, these both are parallel to each other. Now we need to prove AD. What is AD over here? AD divided by DB. DB is this, okay. AC, okay, this is AC and BC divided by BC. Where is BC exactly? This is B and C. Okay, this one. So this. Okay, how do we do that? Before that, let's first analyze this triangle. These both are equal. A will be equal to C. That's true. And this is parallel, right? So what about these both? These are from angle bisector. They have told angle by line bisector. The CD is bisector. These are alternate angles. And okay, these are parallel. So this will be corresponding angle. This is also equal. I can see this is equal to this. Now in this triangle extended, if the two bases are equal, then this is isosceles triangle. This side is equal to this side. Oh yeah, we can easily prove it then. Yeah, we can do it. So let's start one by one. What we need is, before that, we need to first realize this triangle like this. I'll draw, see, I'll draw this AE down like this, flat over here. And then I will extend this and then I'll draw this. Now, E is over here, A is over here, and I'll draw a parallel line because CD is parallel, right? This is parallel, C, D, and this is B. Now, if you see this triangle like this, what do you know? I know I can write the sides as proportionals, isn't it? I can write, because I need AD and DB, right? I'll write AD divided by DB, because this is parallel. If there are two, if there is one triangle and this inside line is a parallel line to the base, then this formula can be written by triangle proportionality theorem. AD divided by BD will be equal to, what is this? EC divided by CB or BC. This can be written. Now look here. Everything is almost there. Only the problem is AC and EC. I have to prove EC is equal to AC, and I know from isosceles triangle it can be proven. So now it's very, very simple. This is easily provable, but it's just that we have to write in detail now, okay? Now I'll erase all this. Let me write the statement and reason. Statement, reason. First one is obviously the given one. Just write it over here. The reason is given. Next, what you do is, let me start with the angles. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2y from angle bisector. From angle bisector. Now next one, 1 and 3 are equal. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Why is this? From alternate angle. Alternate interior angles. These are interior angle. Now what next? Here 2 and this angle E, okay? Angle E is equal to angle 2y because of corresponding angles. Corresponding, when there are parallel lines, corresponding angles occur. Now this is done. From this we can tell triangle ACE is isosceles. Isosceles. CELES. Now why is this isosceles? because base angles are congruent. Okay, now what next? After the base angles are congruent, over here, okay, what are we exactly? Yeah, this is done. Now I forgot to write the statement from triangle proportionality theorem. I can write that because these two are parallel lines, which I told, right? AD and DE, EC and CE. So I'll write over here. Oh, okay, this is isosceles triangle. Let me write one more statement before that. So EC, the line segment EC is equal to AC. Triangle ACE is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Or you can write converse isosceles triangle theorem. That's also the same thing. Because we know if bases are equal, then the sides are equal, and then that's how it's basically the converse. Now then, we have it would have been better if I'd written the triangle proportionality at the up, but even if you have understood initially, that's fine. I can write it now down as well. AD divided by DB will be equal to EC divided by BC. This is from triangle proportionality theorem. So then we are remaining with nothing. This is almost done. Now EC is equal to AC, right? So AD divided by DB will be equal to AC divided by BC by substitution. That's it, because I already have proven EC is equal to AC. So substitution is the only thing that's remaining. So that's it. That is how we can easily solve it. I hope this is clear. Let me just look at the answer over here. Yeah, it's almost the same, I guess. Yeah, this is a very easy one. That's why, yeah, it's the same thing. So these are important. It's easy to understand, but you need to write in detail as well. So this is crucial. And I mean, you can skip this first step. A that is just written, but you can just start with over here. But you need this, right? 2 and E. So yeah, it's better to write all these. So that's how we solve this particular problem. And that is basically the end of the question 3. If you have any doubts, please post them in the comments and I'll try to get back to you very soon.